Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Cardano from Metamask to Exmo in 2025. With blockchain tech evolving rapidly, managing your ADA tokens has never been simpler. Whether you're a beginner looking to cash out or a pro optimizing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will get you withdrawing safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need a Metamask wallet installed on your browser, some ADA tokens in it, and an Exmo account set up and verified. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and get those sorted. It's crucial for security. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Metamask wallet and ensure it's connected to the Cardano network. By 2025, Metamask might have direct support, or you'll use a bridge like the Cardano EVM connector. If not, head to the network settings and add the Cardano mainnet using the custom RPC details you can find on the official Cardano site. Step 2. Check your ADA balance in Metamask. If your tokens aren't showing, you might need to import them via the Asset tab. Once confirmed, hit the Send button and enter the Exmo deposit address. Pro tip: always double-check the address to avoid costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Set your transaction details. Enter the amount of ADA you want to withdraw, add a small fee for faster confirmation, and review everything. Hit Confirm, and wait for the blockchain to process it. This usually takes a few minutes, but network congestion can vary. Step 4. Head over to your Exmo account. Go to the deposit section, select ADA, and paste the same address or confirm the incoming transaction. Once it arrives, you can withdraw to your bank or trade it further. Remember, always enable two-factor authentication on Exmo for added security. A quick word of caution: crypto markets are volatile, so only withdraw what you need, and keep an eye on gas fees or network costs. If you run into issues, check official docs or community forums. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to withdraw Cardano from Metamask to Exmo in 2025. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy trading.